Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without eggs. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a baking sheet with parchment. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add your chosen egg substitute and vanilla. Mix dry ingredients separately and fold them into the wet mixture with chocolate chips. Scoop evenly, chill briefly, and bake until edges are golden, then cool on a rack. When picking an egg replacement, consider flavor and structure needs for your cookies. Mashed banana works great if you don't mind a hint of fruit, while applesauce yields a tender crumb. Aquafaba is ideal for neutral taste and better rise. Adjust sugar if using sweet fruit purees, and monitor dough consistency so it resembles traditional cookie dough before scooping and baking for best results. Texture hinges on technique more than ingredients, so focus on temperature and timing. Room temperature butter helps create a uniform dough that creases and traps air, giving a nice chew. Chilling dough firms fat and prevents excess spread, improving bite. Watch the oven closely and aim for golden edges with slightly soft centers, as cookies will continue to set while cooling on the rack for ideal chewiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.